kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka Sohra constituency uba given Milliam ulapan pau ka Diaw halor ka Jingpakhang lenti ki Nongjngohkai ki batmu banlet chaki jaka Nongjngohkai ka than Sohra bat ulapan ramjure ka jingle ka HNYF ha Umtyngar ka balaja ha ka arpun tari unai tung arja arpasau uneu MLA ula ong bagani ka jingle ka manra jingmentai hendai tang ka jingdu nong ki Nongjnong ka than Sohra ki baju im jakpo lingba ki kam Nongjngohkai ula ong baki don ki beriau ka than Sohra ki bapanyat ya ki ying basa ki don pat ki bapanyat ya ki jaka Nongjngohkai ka balong ka jingmentai bat ai kam ai jam ya ki beriau ka than shu ula ong ru bagani ka jingle jong ka HNYF kan ra ru ka khubor ka bombha shaki weipat ki jela
ka jonga na sim ne kala un Pynrem jur ya ka to ka jingle ka jongki ka long ka ek ka bomde kini ki judge jingle na kalian ka jongki kamon ra ka jingyo nong yano ino ringi sotu kawan ra tang ka jingdu nong ba kamtam shathe shathan Sohra jani ba bon na pedeng ki nong snong ki ba im jak po lingba ka tourism dan na pedeng jongki ki ba don ya ki homestay dan na pedeng jongki ki ba don ya ki jaka Nongjngohkai perthei tikum kini ki jingle na kalian jong HNYF kan ra ru ka khubor ka basni shakiwe ki jilla thu mi im hakani gari India ni don kam ba ni buram markeliam dan na pedeng ki pajba ki jongi ki ba im jakpo hakiwe ki jilla dan ki kun samla ki jongi ki hable chikiwe ki jilla banyo e jingang jista ki jongi lada kiwe ki chak benre jongi we ki jilla kinle hakani ga ju urkom kumno na kalian ga jongi nindon ga jing smo te halor kani ga benta ba na kalian ga jonga ngason Pynrem jur halor kani ga jingle jong ka seng HNYF bat ngason ai kublai kerpang ya ka tenat jong ka home police angkina po Sohra police station ka blashim ya ka sinjam ban penkloy ka jingpoi ka jongki hante po Umtyngar bat niyo i beladan ru ka jing syakem jong katu ka ngot ki god tingi sotu hi kremdon mag penku bor ka seng HNYF ban le e ka kam ni de ban sotu ba kum ki pai ba nyemde ban bat ni ka ai hala ki jong ki I would like to take this opportunity to apologize for the unnecessary and untoward incident which occurred at Umtyngar today, where there were some vehicles which were being turned by one pressure group by the name HNYF. Yes, of course, the police personnel from Sohra police station took quick action to restore law and order, and I, as a public representative, will also personally intervene to ensure that vigilant patrolling by the police along the Sohra highway will be undertaken from now on to prevent such unfortunate events from happening again.